This 2015 American Coach American Eagle 45T is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used American coach is 44 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 8, oven, awning, refrigerator, skylight, LP detector, water heater, DVD player, TV antenna, stovetop burner, smoke detector, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half outdoor entertainment. This 2015 American Coach American Eagle 45T is built on a Freightliner Liberty chassis and is powered by a CUMMINS engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.